Right guys, okay, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Okay, so this term, yes, we're looking at spreadsheets. It's term 2, this is ICT. Now, your grade for this term will be 50% your portfolio of work and 50% your end of unit test, okay? So what I want you to do now is I want you to make your portfolio of work. You will submit this at the end of the term, but now we are going to practice how to make this portfolio of work, okay? So, first of all, I've got my spreadsheets folder here, yeah? So this is in my documents. This is my spreadsheets folder. If you don't have all of your work in one folder, put it in one folder. Okay, so the first thing to do, put it in one folder. You might have something that looks like this. If you have missed some lessons, you will have less, but you might have something that looks like this. Now, let me just resize these a little bit. There we go. Okay, now we only care about these files. Everything else we can delete. Okay, so I'm going to sort by kind. And then here, these PNG files, these Word documents. We don't need those. Okay, so we can delete those. Now, sort by name. These are not in the right order. Yeah, we can see the spelling here is not what it should be. Now, hopefully, your spelling looks beautiful. Yeah, but if it doesn't, if it looks something like this, we need to fix this. So we can rename them. Click on it and press Enter. Capital L. Just one space. Yeah. Lesson 1. Space 0, 1. Click on it, press Enter. And this was lesson 3. Okay, so the next thing to do is to get everything so that the names look beautiful. They're in the right order. Lesson 1, lesson 2, 2A, 2B, 2C, lesson 3. You might have some different names. Some of you might have a lesson 2D, for example. Don't worry about that. That's fine. Yeah? So we've got everything in our folder. We've got everything looking beautiful. Yeah? Now, next. Open your first workbook. Looks like this. And all you're going to do, you're going to go File, Print, Entire Workbook, Narrow Margins, PDF. We're going to save it in the same Spreadsheets folder with the same name. It's just going to be called .pdf. And then I can close it. Don't save. Okay, so now we've got 2 files. We've got a workbook, we've got an Excel workbook, and we've got a PDF document. And this is what the PDF document looks like. Hopefully you will have more flags here. Yeah, you will have the Swedish flag, the French flag, maybe a couple of your own. Yeah? So that's done. Now, the next one. Snakes and ladders. Again, File, Print. Entire workbook, narrow margins, PDF, the same folder, the same name with a PDF extension. Done. Don't save, no changes. Okay, so lesson 1 is done, lesson 2 is done. Lesson 2a, the same. Open it. Yours will be finished, okay? Mine is not finished. Yeah, yours will all be finished here. Mine is not, mine's just an example. File, print. Entire workbook. Narrow margins, PDF, lesson 2a. Save. Okay, good. 2 files here. Lesson 2b. Again, yours will be finished. Mine is not finished. Mine is not started. Yeah. Print. Entire workbook. Narrow margins. PDF. Save. Good. Don't save. And the next one. File. Print. Entire workbook, narrow margins, PDF, save, close it. This one, file, print, entire workbook, narrow margins, PDF, save. Good. Don't save. Now, we can make a new folder. New folder. Portfolio work. Okay, right click, new folder, portfolio work. Now we want all of these PDFs in that folder. We can either drag them in one by one. An easier way is to sort by kind, select our PDFs, and move them all together. Yeah. Okay, good. So now we've got all of our workbooks saved as a PDF. Good. Now, what else do we need? Well, what we do need is a front cover for our portfolio. Okay, so we can use any one of these, or you can just keep a simple one. Yeah. These are quite nice. I'm going to pick this one. Portfolio of work, ICT, spreadsheets. Term 2, and then your name here, okay? And it doesn't have to look like this. You can have this over here on this side, that's fine. You can have it here on this side, it doesn't matter, yeah? All I want is just a nice, beautiful, just a nice, beautiful front cover, yeah? Super. Now, file, save as. Actually, hang on, that's not very beautiful. I want all of this on the same line. There we go. Yeah. Okay, for example, Mickey Mouse. Yeah. This would be your name, you understand? Yeah? File, save as. Spreadsheets, portfolio work, and this is our front cover. Save it once as a PPTX, and then file, save as, save again as PDF. Okay? And close that. So now we've got our PDFs and we've got our front cover. Now we can start assembling this portfolio. Yeah? Okay, so I'm going to open my front cover. Open it. Here it is. Now I need to go view thumbnails. I need to turn on thumbnails. we go. Now, lesson 1 PDF. Drag it in and drop. Lesson 2, drag it in and drop. The next one, drag it in and drop. Yeah? Scroll down and drag the next one. It needs to be at the bottom. Okay, we want these in order. Next one, drag it in and drop. Drag it in and drop. And the last one, down here, drag it in and drop. Okay, good. So now we've got all of the work that we've done in one portfolio. File. How do we do this? File, export. Again, the same folder, documents, spreadsheets, portfolio, and we can call this portfolio of work Mickey Mouse. Okay, your name here. Yeah, portfolio of work Mickey Mouse. And actually, what we can do, we can put draft here, because this is not your final portfolio, this is a practice. Okay, we can save that. And then, we've got a file here. If I open it, we've got our beautiful front cover, and we've got all of our work so far. Good. Almost finished. Click on the file, press enter, copy that name, and then head over to your email, new message to David. The subject is just going to be the name of the file. Attach a file, browse this Mac, spreadsheets, portfolio work, portfolio, PDF. Yeah. Choose. Okay, hi Mr. David, here's the portfolio you've requested, thanks Mickey Mouse. Okay, nice and simple, your name is here. This is your attachment. Okay, we just use the attached file. Hi, Mr. David, here's the portfolio. And send, and you are finished. Yeah? And what you've done, you can use this when you submit your final draft, and you can use all of this when you submit your final draft. Okay? So this is not your 50%. This is a practice. Because at the end of the term, you're going to do this again, and this will be worth 50% of your grade. Okay, very good. Any problems? Just re-watch this video. Watch it again, okay? Good luck. And your deadline for this is Monday. Oh, what's the date on Monday? Monday the 6th of Feb at 8 o'clock. Okay? Your deadline is Monday the 6th of Feb at 8 o'clock. Very good. Bye-bye.